Hello everyone, my name is Jean-Marie from Denison Yachting. I welcome you today on board of this Lagoon 41 for sale in Marina del Rey, Los Angeles. She's the owner version of this very successful Lagoon. 3 cabin, 3 head, well equipped. In fact, she's loaded with a generator, airco, reverse cycle, water maker, dive compressor, all the toys you need to have fun sailing the world or just a long weekend with the family and friend. So as you notice, a very large hull, and right away on the side you have carved in the hull 2 practical steps to climb on board from the dinghy or from the dock. Both hulls are equipped with these 2 steps. We move forward, you notice these large windows providing light in a aft cabin. Then I will move back on the transom. You have 2 swim platforms at the extremity of each hull. A large tender. We came back in the front to show you this large entertaining space, very comfortable to entertain. We go back and we look at large windows all around the Salon, and that support the hardtop. This vessel is equipped with a furling boom. The fully buttoned main is furled into the boom, which is the most practical item to have when you want to single ender or sail as a couple. Going backward to the transom and to the aft cockpit, walking through a large passage, very safe. You have handrail all around you can grab that provide a lot of safety. There is also a large passage from one hull to the other hull. Very convenient to work in this area, to launch your dinghy that is supported by davit. The dinghy is a hard bottom tender, and the tender is equipped with a 25 horsepower Yamaha engine. As we walk to the other hull, you have also a swimming step on this side. Numerous fish pole. I see the large cockpit, aft cockpit, with a very deep for safety and comfort. It's very deep. You feel very comfortable at sea and very safe. This coffee table can be replaced by a dining table. You can dine outside, or you can just relax. You notice also the windows that slide and create communication between the inside and outside space. We have a look at the steering station, practically located next to the aft cockpit, close to the sitting area, close to the main entrance of the vessel. Wide. Don't forget, she's only 42 feet. As we get in, the galley is on our left as we enter the space. Large cutting area. There is a fridge, a freezer on this space, stove, free burner, double sink, well equipped pantry, storage, and again look at the wide window area that gives you with a 360 view when you are on this platform. Wide open. This is a nav station with a Garmin electronic, VHF, radar, chart plotter, AIS, speed, wind, depth, fusion entertainment system, flat screen TV. As we go down on the starboard hull, we turn on our right and on the aft part of this hull. Here we have this great guest cabin with a queen bed and plenty of opening for ventilation, air core with reverse cycle, heat and cool, hanging locker, and a private bath with head and shower. As we walk forward in this passage, we're gonna step. There is a door that can be locked for privacy. We access the second guest cabin. It is also a double bedding guest cabin, a queen bed. Slightly up this one and perpendicular to the hull with two steps to access a bedding, and the last two big drawers for storage to store your belongings under the bed. There is also a hanging locker in this cabin and a totally separate shower with the head at the entrance of the cabin and just after the main doors that close this space. So you can have a lot of privacy also in this area for both cabins. Privacy, separate shower, separate bed is a perfect layout from my point of view for a family. As we climb back to the main salon and galley. We go down to the port hull. Also, port hull is very interesting. All the hull can be closed and completely separated from the rest of the boat, and it is dedicated to the owner. It is a owner suite with bath forward in the front of the hull, and the bedding area is on the aft, and in the middle between these two areas there are ample storages and a city. So this area is totally private and totally dedicated for a couple or one person. And again, there is a sliding door that disconnect you and a nice view on the water. It is an escape hatches. It's mandatory on every cruising cat, and a lot of light in this bed also, in this room, and a wide open space for the owner. Pretty cool. It's quite amazing in a 42 feet. Quite amazing design. Back to the main area, inside the area. Again, a view of all the opening, all the windows. Panoramic view. Nav station. We're gonna go out just to look at a nav station outside with all the winches. The controls of the winch are on the floor, so you can use you with your feet. All winches are electric, double speed and self-tailing. The cockpit can be fully enclosed. The canvas are in a really good shape, or nearly new, or like new. This boat has been well run, well maintained, and she's completely ready for the new owner. We just want to go back to this owner suite to show you again all the storage space. It's quite remarkable. The number of hanging locker, drawer, storage are quite remarkable. Thank you very much for staying with me during this tour. At the end of this video, you will be provided with my contact information. I will be glad and ready to answer any question you have about this vessel. She's in Marina del Rey. The slip can be transferred to the new owner. Of course, the buyer will have to file an application and be qualified and be accepted by the marina. But we never had any issue so far to transfer the slip in our area most of the time. This is a sliding door. So, and she's at her end-tie, very practical end-tie, very well located in a redesigned and rebuilt marina. Again, thank you so much. Take care of yourself, and hopefully talk to you soon.